Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at one of the most advanced and futuristic cameras you can get right now, and if you are serious about content creation, this is going to blow your mind. This is the GoPro Max 2, and this is not just an action camera, this is a full 360-degree content creation machine. Let's start with the biggest feature, 8K spherical video. This camera captures everything around you in full 360 degrees. That means you don't have to worry about framing your shot while recording, you capture everything and choose your angles later. Now think about that for a second, you never miss a moment. Whether you are traveling, biking, or filming cinematic content, you can reframe your shots after recording. That's insane flexibility. Now it also works as a traditional action camera, so you get the best of both worlds. You can shoot normal videos or immersive 360 content. Coming to photos, you get 29MP 360 photos, which are incredibly detailed and perfect for immersive social media content. Another huge feature is hypersmooth stabilization. Even in 360 mode, your footage stays incredibly smooth. No shakes, no jitters, just cinematic output. Let's pause for a second. Imagine recording while running, biking, or even in rough conditions, and still getting buttery smooth footage. That's what this camera delivers. Now audio, this camera comes with 6 microphones, which capture immersive 360 audio. So not only does your video look real, it sounds real too. And one more practical feature, replaceable lenses. If you damage a lens, you don't need to replace the whole camera. That's a big cost saver. It's also waterproof, so you can take it anywhere without worrying about damage. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to control, preview, and adjust settings. Overall, this is a powerful tool for creators, filmmakers, and adventure lovers who want next-level content. If you want to create unique, immersive, and professional-level videos, this camera is definitely worth checking out. Link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.